Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make tiger nut juice using tiger nut, dates, coconuts. You can as well add ginger, garlic, and any other thing you feel like adding. So I'll be using only tiger nut, dates, and coconuts. So this is me buying my tiger nuts. Okay, I had to go to market. I bought it in a large quantity, like 1 pint, because I normally put inside my freezer. So anytime I want to make it, I'll just take the quantity that will be enough for me, because I normally make the one that will last for a week. So this is how dates look like. So I bought half pint of it. So I got home. As you can see, I also made waffles for them. So here I have my tiger nut, dates, and coconut. I had to wash it, then transfer it into my Bushi mix blender. So as you can see, I am blending it. This blender is very strong. I recommend, if you can get it, it is fine. Another blender that is very strong is Ninja. So as you can see, I am done blending it. The next one is for me to sieve it. Okay, one of the reasons why it is always advisable to make this at home is so that you'll be sure of what you are drinking. Because when you make it at home, you put into consideration environmental hygiene, personal hygiene, clean water. Unlike the one you would just buy outside that you don't even know what they use in making theirs. So that's by the way. So this is me trying to sieve out the juice, as you can see in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember what I said, when you want to make yours, you can add ginger, even banana, any other thing you feel like. So as you can see, this is my tiger nut juice. Okay, I am done sieving it, so I had to transfer it into a jug before I can now finally transfer it into my juice bottle that I will now put inside my fridge. As you can see, I am now transferring it to my juice bottle. I am actually making this for the kids, so I had to use a smaller bottle for them in order to make it. So my tiger nut juice is ready. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so as you can see, tada, these are my tiger nut juice. As you can see, it's for the kids. Actually, I made it for them. So as you can see, I had to use a smaller container. So they enjoyed it with their waffles, homemade waffles. I made waffles for them. So I had to now put my tiger nut juice inside the fridge so that they can now enjoy it, because they came back for holiday. Okay, so this is me enjoying mine. Hey, as you can see, that's a Bushi mix juice bottle. So this is me also enjoying mine. After making for them, I had to also enjoy myself, because I work, I chop. Don't mind me, I beg. Remember what I said when making yours. You can add whatever it is you feel like adding. You can add ginger, you can add garlic, you can even use banana. Whatever it is you feel like adding is fine. Okay, I specifically made this one for the kids, so I only used tiger nut, dates, and coconuts. Okay, so that's just it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.